process begins with the foundation of the home, a bare chassis. Each chassis frame is unique to the size of the home being built. These rugged chassis are made to the highest standards. The first step in the process is to line the chassis with a plastic moisture barrier. From here, we start to frame our subfloor. And once the subfloor has been framed, we get to work on installing all the plumbing, gas, electrical, and furnace ducting that run underneath the home. Now that all has been ran, we can begin to install the insulation that will help control the temperature from underneath the home. Insulation installed, we can finish up the floors, first by applying wood glue to the frame, laying 3/4 inch plywood, and nailing it in place. Finally, we can overlay the vinyl flooring. And now we have a completed base. In another part of the factory, workers begin to frame the side walls laying flat on large tables. Building them on flat tables helps make them straighter and sturdier than upright built walls. Once all the necessary walls are completed, they are stood up and placed in position on the base, creating the skeleton of the home. Now that we have the home completely framed out, we can continue running electrical and plumbing. Just like before, once all the internal lines and ducts of the home have been installed, the workers can complete the job of insulating all the interior and exterior walls. And installation complete, they finish the walls by attaching the plywood on exterior or drywall on interior walls. Before siding is installed, they wrap all the exterior walls with a weatherproof barrier. This will prevent drafts and the entry of wind-driven rain into the wall cavity and acts as a moisture barrier. Now the home is ready for siding. Sheets of siding are cut to specification, and then finally installed on the home. The factory has an inventory of doors and windows, and when the home is ready, they're brought over and installed. If the home is a double-wide model, each side is assembled separately until this point. From here, both sides will be brought together and the process will continue. At this point, multiple crews begin to work on different areas of the home, which can include the interior, exterior, roof, and porch. The prefabricated roof trusses are installed according to the prints. Once the roof has been framed, insulation is added to the roof. Decking is installed, and soon after the eaves are built. Finally, shingles are installed and the roof is complete. At the same time the roof is being built, workers get to work on the porch by starting on the floors. Meanwhile, the banisters are pre-assembled and primered at another station. Then, finally installed on the porch and painted in position. The home's interior transformation begins with tape, texture, and paint. Once painting is complete, the home's cabinets are brought in. Then they are measured, cut, and installed. Trim is added around the doors and windows. Also, molding and baseboards are installed throughout. Countertops are brought in and installed. Then sinks and faucets. And finally, the home appliances are brought in and installed. Before the home can be considered complete, final touches are made on the paint and a final cleaning is done. Now the home is ready for its pre-delivery inspection. After a few short weeks, the home is finally complete and ready to be shipped anywhere in the country.